Hey, welcome to CoCo Lace and Giggles, where beauty is made simple. My name is Ayana. Go ahead, grab yourself something to drink, sit back, relax, and let's see what I have to talk about today.
Welcome back, Coco Beauties. I hope you guys you had a great week or are having a great week whenever you see this. So today I got my box, my TRENDMOOD box, and this box has OneSize. If you guys, I don't know if you guys ever heard of OneSize, but OneSize brand, and then Danessa Myricks, her some products in here from her, along with some other people. But I wanted to hop on and get on here and show you guys the box. But then after that, go into maybe doing a look, so we can see what the products look like, how they work, that type of thing. So let's just hop right in. So of course, this is like one of my favorite boxes, you know, that I get, TRENDMOOD. What's so great about this particular box when it came, or when I saw it right before it dropped, is I was looking at these two particular brands, right? Like, oh, I want to try them out. I'm going to review them. You know, I want my Coco Beauties. You want the family to see what it's like, just in case you've probably been seeing things on Instagram, or if you were in Sephora, you may have seen the campaign for OneSize. And then, of course, you know, with Danessa, oh my goodness, her name, Danessa Myricks, she's been around. Great products, and she just came out with a balm contour, so that's on my list as well. But she has these this color for the eyes. Now I think you can use it in other things too, but I've been seeing people using it primarily for their eyes, and it's called Twin Flames. So it gives like this duochrome like look. It changes. You can add it to different types of eyeshadows, powders, different pigments, and it'll give it a different look. So I'm about to hop on and do this. So I'm not gonna play. We're gonna open this on up and see what we're working with. This is the first February box, so I don't know. You know, sometimes with TRENDMOOD, she comes out with she may come out with one box for the month. It could be 2, 3, you know, and of course you could choose which one you want. So, but so far so good. Like the first one for January was Good Molecules, great box, and now we have this. So let's show you what it looks like. I've opened it up. As you can hear the bubble wrap. I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can get a look. Now, this is quite a bit for my people who are like, oh my goodness, I love makeup. And then she also has like a, I think this is Organics. Yeah, I love their brand. Frizz Free Keratin Smoothing Oil, shampoo, and then the conditioner, and the smoothing spray. So I'm excited about this because I can use this on myself, my daughters. It smells good. It's not like annoying or anything like that. It's not super sweet. It's just like a good little fresh hair smell. This says 5-in-1 benefits. It has, let's see, keratin, proteins, argan oil, and ceramide. And it helps strengthen and smooth strands and reveal shiny, frizz-free hair. So, there you go. Yeah, so we're going to put these to the test. Going to use those on my girl's hair. And then, of course, OneSize by Starr. He is an influencer, so I'm pretty sure my people who love being on YouTube, and of course if you're on Instagram too, but definitely YouTube, you know who Starr is. So I can't wait. And in this box we have the new Secure, the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer, which I'll be using today. So that is this. Clearly my what's that? These heavier tubes of stuff, bottles. I'm sorry. This is the packaging. Okay. And I believe, let's see, the weight on this is 1.2 fluid ounces, 35 milliliters. And this is the lovely, lovely packaging. Oh, my light is bright today. It's beaming. We beaming. We out here like Willie Bean. I'm sorry. I'm bad on movie references. Forgive me. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is the blur primer. And then available on February 5th, which that was yesterday? Day before? I think it was yesterday. The Ultimate Blur Setting Powder. And so the owner of TRENDMOOD, she rocks. I don't have her name right off the top of my head, but she wanted her customers, or her the people who order her products, right? She wanted them to have both powders. So she did travel sizes, and you have the dark deep, good looking out, and then you have what color is this? Translucent. Okay, so of course you have people who are going to bake their face with one and then they're going to brighten it with the other, or just all over, right? Like, oh, we just gonna set it. So we do have these. We're gonna use both of them. And lately I've been using Riri Fenty, the powder foundation. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to do my liquid today. So today it's not liquid, it's more cream. I'm doing cream base today. So I will be using my what is that brand? Ooh, Saint. I'm gonna be using my Saint foundation. So we'll see how it goes. So those two were in there. So this is the 3 from OneSize, okay, by Patrick Starr again. Oh, his face is big. You hear me? Patrick. Come on with us. And then we have hope I get this right. Chebula Active Immunity Serum. And if I messed up that name, please forgive me. Strong skin leads to youthful skin. If our skin has the proper defense mechanisms, we can prolong early signs of aging and fight off aging midstream to prevent future damage. So this is a first line of defense for preventing, protecting, and correcting the skin from aging, revealing a brighter, smoother, youthful glow. So let's go ahead. This is the packaging. Yeah, this is the packaging. And this is the bottle that it came in. Okay. Like most serum bottles. And then, of course, it has the dropper. So let's open it. And this is what it looks like. Okay. Doesn't really have a smell. I want to say kind of clinically, very like spa-like. It's not next to no scent at all. So this isn't something that's going to irritate people or like give them a hard time. So it rubs in really quick. It's not super thick. But you can tell like right away it moisturizes the skin. To me it starts off kind of tacky and thin, but as you rub it in, it doesn't feel like that anymore. You can see, I don't think you can really see it, but Like, oh my God. It feels good. It doesn't have a smell. Is this, let's see, and it's safe for you, animals, and the planet. So, PETA approved. So we're going to say that this is animal cruelty free. Skincare's next breakthrough ingredient. Chebula works differently because it not only corrects all 5 signs of aging, it also strengthens your skin immunity to prevent and protect your skin from the stressors that causes skin aging. It heals roughness and dryness. It brightens and plumps dull skin. It smooths fine lines and wrinkles. It evens the skin tone, and it improves skin elasticity and firmness. Okay, so they're saying that this is the truth. Definitely, we're gonna try this because I'm trying to keep this looking beautiful. So, let's see. Okay. Definitely want to keep this looking youthful. Had to turn the light down a little bit. It was too bright. All right. Next we have Kat Von D, and this is the Dazzle stick, and it's a long wear eyeshadow. So let's see. This is, I always take it out before I show you all. So this is the packaging. Okay. And this is what it comes in. And that is the color. Ooh, wee. Girl, don't play. Let's go ahead and swatch that real quick. What? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. It's so soft. I didn't even have to press that hard. Anyway, so that is the color. Oh, that's pretty. Come on, y'all. I'm going to just rub that in a little bit. Oh, man. Okay. So, like, all right, y'all. So when I put it on, initially it was like cold to the touch, like it felt wet, y'all. It ain't going nowhere. Long lasting. It ain't. It may rub off on a finger or two, but I like that. I wouldn't mind seeing that in some other colors. Okay. So again, Kat Von D Dazzle stick. So for my ladies that like to sparkle on the eyes, we got you. Okay. And then we have, woo, what I've been waiting on. What I've been waiting on. So this is Danessa Myricks Twin Paint. And this one is Young Love. Okay. And then there's another one in here. Boop. And that one is Passion. So we gon' see. There was another one I think she was talking about. I don't know how many of them it is. I want to say there's like maybe 6. I could be wrong. So I would hate for you to go on there and be like, girl, you said 6 and here it is. It's only 2. I want to say there's like 4 or 6. She had someone, she went live, sometime in January, and one of her angels was doing a look. Baby, so sick. All right, how befitting for Valentine's Day. This is what they look like. Y'all know I love sparkle. Okay. So we'll do it on this hand. Young Love. Let me go ahead and that's what it looked like. Woo! Yes, honey. What? Get into it. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. She ain't nothing to play with. Listen, I tell you, people be sleeping. Do you hear me? Sleeping. She is the truth. Okay, this one is Passion. You see that? So Passion gives off like a almost like a yellowish gold. Can you see it? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have so much fun playing in this. Playing. We playing. We playing, and we playing. We playing. We playing. Yup. By the way, where's my tissue? I wearing my alma mater. Lily. Let's go, TSU. Let's go, Big Blue. Yeah, so I couldn't find any of my TSU shirts. So, of course, I had to put on my husband's. So, let me run, wash my hands real quick, and then I'll be right back. And we'll get this party started. Okay, CoCo Beauties. I am back. Let me turn on my TV a little bit. Trying to catch up on my RuPaul. I love me some RuPaul. Anyway, so I have all my stuff. I forgot to show you. I showed you the boxes of OneSize, but I forgot to show you what the actual I forgot to show you what the actual containers look like. So this is what it looks like. Nice, cute little frosted pink. You know, if you're into pink. You know, I'm not into pink, but whatever. It is what it is. It's cute. Doesn't really have a smell for those who are like, sensitive to smells, can't really do it. I don't smell anything. Okay. I had to smell my hands. I just washed my hands, so I wanted to make sure. Yeah, there's no smell. But we're definitely gonna go ahead and try those. So yeah, I love my powders. So it can either, of course, you know, translucent powders. These powders can either make you look dead or it can bring you to life. Either or. But we're gonna see. We're gonna put it to the challenge. Okay, I am really liking this look. I like this color with the twin flames. I like this color. Listen, this is a good one. One for the books. I might have to do a little mini photo shoot. I'm just saying. CoCo Beauties, thank you. If you are not part of the family, if you have not come into the fold, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And then when you subscribe, also hit the all button. So as soon as my videos load, you get a either a reminder that drops down on your phone, or of course an email. I'm trying to think. That's pretty much it. Be safe. Remember to wear your mask, wash your hands.